Yeah, Dick had just moved his.
That's what I heard.
What is your name?
Lloyd.
Lloyd? This is the first big rain you ever had for a while?
It's the first time anything ever happened to me like this, period.
Yeah. How long have you been homeless?
What?
2 months?
Ellie taking me back to the Central Market.
Oh, really?
I didn't have no money to get down to the shelter thing,
Oh.
so
I can give you a ride later if you want to go down there.
that's cool. Sounds good.
But wait till this water goes away, because there's too much water right now. Here's some donuts and coffee. Get away from the coffee cup.
When's the last time you ate?
Yesterday.
Oh, that's good.
Me and PM hamburger is better than nothing.
Hell yeah.
This will get your stomach going too.
That coffee go get him going even better though.
Yeah.
Put that shit in.
Real dirty. I was supposed to clean it this weekend.
They fit you too,
Mal,
huh?
yeah. Go back in the house.
They fit you, huh?
Yeah.
Perfect fit. Like a motherfucker. Okay. I know you feeling hella better now.
You getting warm?
A little. Yes.
Go, just hold this for a while.
Yeah, I'm all dizzy and shit.
Take some of that.
That shit is hella hot, man. You better wait
His
for a
feet
little.
and everything's fucking like that. His legs.
It's a little warmer already.
Where's some shoes at, eh?
Up there now.
Put them shoes on.
And then go get you that blanket. I bought you 3 blankets. Put all 3 of them together and make it a thick quick radio watch one day. And we have to sit like this with our radio like this, with our little hoods over us to sit like this. Man, I was freezing. It was pouring. I was like this. Oh, why the fuck did I sign up for this shit? I could be at home in the
I can't
goddamn.
cuss like that.
I'm sorry about that.
Yeah, doesn't matter.
They'll erase that off anyway.
Oh, I put on
Clothes?
my clothes too.
Jeez.
I mean, all you gotta do is sit under that carpool for a little while, man, with the blankets, your coffee, and your donuts. And I'll give you a couple more cigarettes, man. You got action, partner.
I'll give you a couple series.
Right
Here,
on.
you can have this pack. I can buy you another pack.
Right on, bud. Take
Grab that coffee, man. Hold that coffee in your hands for a little while. That shit'll bring some color. You can tell, look at his hands getting color back to him.
I know, yeah.
They starting to get color back to him, man.
Yeah, I've seen a lot of bad shit. You know, I used to live in Lake Tahoe. And I mean, I'd go home and shake 2 hours in front of my heater when I get off. When I get off work. I operate the crane to backhoe up the upper Heavenly Valley. We talk about cold.
Hey, Nick, grab me that little
It's a
plastic
bit like
bag.
this, but it's a different.
Boy, you better run home and check on that. And you better not run through that water.
hot to drink. It feels good in my hands.
Yeah. We don't take that shit so hard. It's not how I drive it. Good Samaritans. Law-abiding citizens.
That's true. That's true.
Yeah. Yeah. Huge. Yep.